Welcome to the Freak Show, a place where the bizarre meets the unbelievable. Your body is a freak show of its own. From glowing in the dark, to hiding a secret third eyelid, to sharing DNA with bananas, the human body and mind are stranger than science fiction. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear will make you laugh, cringe, and question reality itself. This isn't your average fact channel. This is Facts Freak Show, where the freaky facts come alive. Fact 1: Humans glow in the dark. Believe it or not, you're glowing right now. Humans give off a tiny amount of light called biophotons, but it's way too weak for our eyes to see. Special cameras have proven it. Your body glows the brightest in the afternoon and the dimmest at night. Fact 2: Tongue prints are unique. Just like fingerprints, your tongue print is completely unique. No two people have the same one. And scientists have even studied using it for security IDs. Fact 3: A third eyelid. That little pink tissue in the corner of your eye. That's the leftover of the third eyelid, the nictitating membrane. Birds and reptiles still use theirs to blink sideways, but in humans, it's just a weird leftover from evolution. Fact 4: Fingernail growth. Did you know your fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand? That's because increased use improves blood flow, which speeds up growth. So if you're right handed, your right hand nails grow just a bit quicker. Fact 5: Stomach lining regeneration. Your stomach is so acidic it can dissolve razor blades. So, how do you not burn a hole in yourself? The lining of your stomach completely regenerates every 3 to 4 days to protect you. Basically, you're growing a new stomach lining all the time. Fact 6: Humans and bananas. Believe it or not, humans share about 50% of their DNA with bananas. Yep, half of your genetic code is the same as that yellow fruit on your kitchen counter. So technically, you're part banana. Fact 7: Hiccups gone wrong. We all get hiccups, but did you know that they can sometimes last for years? The record goes to a man who hiccuped for 68 years straight. Doctors believe hiccups are left over from a primitive reflex that once helped amphibians breathe. Fact 8: Bones are rebuilt. Your bones aren't just solid rocks inside your body, they're alive. Your skeleton completely rebuilds itself every 10 years. That means the bones you have right now are not the same ones you had a decade ago. Fact 9: Sweat doesn't smell. Here's a fun one. Sweat itself has no odor. The smell comes from the bacteria on your skin feeding on the sweat. So technically, it's the bacteria that stinks, not you. Fact 10: Super tasters. Some people are what scientists call super tasters. They have way more taste buds than average, making flavors extra intense. Sweet things taste sweeter, and bitter foods can be almost unbearable. Are you one of them? Fact 11: Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Your brain runs on electricity, tiny pulses between neurons. Added up, your brain produces about 20 watts of power, enough to light a small bulb. Every thought, every memory, every dream is an electric storm inside your skull. You are literally a living battery. Fact 12. You produce about 1 liter of saliva daily. You may not notice it, but your mouth is constantly producing saliva, about 1 liter per day. That's enough to fill a soda bottle. Saliva helps digest food, keeps your mouth clean, and even protects your teeth from decay. Without it, eating and speaking would be nearly impossible. Fact 13. Earwax is a type of sweat. That sticky gunk in your ears, it's actually a modified form of sweat. Earwax is produced by special glands in the ear canal, and it helps trap dust, dirt, and bacteria. In fact, earwax is your body's natural ear defense system. So next time you complain about earwax, just remember, it's your ears sweating for your safety. Fact 14. Average person farts 14 times a day. Everyone does it. Yes, even you. The average person passes gas about 14 times a day. That adds up to roughly half a liter of gas. Most of it is odorless, caused by swallowed air and digestion. Only a small percentage comes from bacteria creating sulfur, which is what makes some farts stink. So if you think you don't fart, you're just not keeping count. Fact 15. Goosebumps are leftover reflexes. Goosebumps are your body's way of saying, I used to be hairier. When tiny muscles at the base of your hairs contract, your skin bumps up. In animals, this reaction makes fur stand up for warmth or intimidation. In humans, with far less body hair, it's just an evolutionary leftover. Our muscles flexing is a coat we no longer have. Fact 16. Cornea has no blood vessels. Your cornea, the clear window of your eye, is the only part of your body without blood vessels. If it had them, your vision would be cloudy. Instead, the cornea gets oxygen directly from the air when you blink and tears when you close your eyes. It's nature's perfect design for clear vision. Fact 17. You breathe 20,000 times a day. Breathing feels automatic, but on average, you do it about 20,000 times per day. Each inhale pulls in oxygen to fuel your body, and each exhale removes carbon dioxide. That adds up to around 11,000 liters of air every single day, enough to fill a swimming pool. Fact 18. Nose detects over 1 trillion scents. Your nose is an incredible sensor. Scientists estimate it can detect over 1 trillion different odors. Inside your nose are millions of olfactory receptors that respond to different chemical molecules in the air. Combined, they create a scent fingerprint for nearly everything you smell. Your nose is more powerful than any artificial detector we've ever built. Fact 19. Small intestine is 22 feet long. Your small intestine is anything but small. It's about 22 feet long. This coiled tube is where most digestion and nutrient absorption happens. If stretched out, it would be longer than a giraffe is tall. So inside your abdomen is an entire winding highway of digestion. Fact 20. Enough iron to make a nail. Inside your body is enough iron to make a small metal nail. That's because iron is a crucial ingredient in hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Without iron, your blood couldn't do its job. So while you're not magnetic, you're literally forged with metal in your veins. So there you have it, the weirdest human body facts you won't believe. From glowing in the dark to being part banana, the human body is packed with bizarre secrets. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more strange facts here on Fact Freak Show.